challenge for you for our next video.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Our luggage are packed and ready to go.
Yeah.
So, our flight is 7 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah.
So, we are going now to the airport. It's 1 o'clock. At marami pang oras, kaya okay lang. No rush.
Yeah, we need to be there 3 hours
wearing
before
my
departure. I received already the
Email?
email from Ryanair.
Alright, okay. Excited? Very excited, right? Okay.
I have Elsa luggage. I got this when I was 6.
So, nag-aantay kami ng tram to airport. Kung nagtataka kayo bakit kami nag-tram at hindi kami nag-taxi, galing sa amin, ang taxi is around 35 pounds to 40 pounds. Dahil kuripot si Chapit Boy, nag-tram kami. Pero hindi. It's like worth it na mag-take ng tram to airport. Kasi ang tram, tatlo kami to airport is 7 pounds 50 only. Right? 7 pounds 50. Kung mag-taxi kami, it's around
Yeah.
35 pounds to 40.
But there is a price to pay for that. 1 hour travel.
But we have so much time. We have so much time. Our flight to Czech Republic is 7 in the evening. Tapos, alauna pa lang ng hapon. So, kung 1 hour man ang biyahe papuntang airport ng tram, makakarating kami, let's say, 2:15 to 30. So much time. Wala namang ginagawa. Kaya sabi ko kaya na, let's take tram. Okay? So naka-check-in na kami at marami pa kaming time. So uupo-upo kami doon sa loob ng lounges. Welcome to Czech Republic. So nasa
It's almost midnight.
Custom and Border Protection na kami for passport checking.
1 hour delay.
1 hour delayed ang flight kaya gabi na masyado rito sa Czech Republic. Pagod na. Ang haba ng pila doon sa customs kanina. Sa immigration, I mean. Ang haba ng pila sa immigration. Hindi kami kagad nakalabas. At na-miss namin yung last bus to city center. So no choice. At kami kuha ng taxi. So kasi dito sa Czech Republic, ang bus ay madali lang sakyan. Kaya lang, paglabas namin, yung last bus to city center, kung saan kami mag-i-stay sa hotel, wala na, na-miss namin. So, no choice, magti-take kami ng taxi to city center. Pupunta muna kami dito sa may supermarket. Bibili kami ng tubig. So, okay. Pagod na si Japit Boy, pagod na si Sofia, pagod na si Hana. Pinkay, are you tired?
No.
Tired? No? Oh, you'll be knackered. Believe me.
Hello!
So, nasa loob kami ng hotel. At nung pumasok na kami sa kwarto, mali yung kwarto na binigay nila. So, because we book always family room,
Well, this is not family
it
room.
means there's a bed for child,
This is a bed for a couple.
pero walang bed for child. So, bumaba si Hana uli. So, sabi niya,
But it's
magantay lang kami ng tawag sa phone. Dahil inaayos yung talagang kwarto namin. So, nakakapagod. Time is around 12:15
12:15.
midnight.
Are you ferocious? Are you
At
serious?
pagod talaga.
Yeah.
Siyempre, umalis kami sa Manchester around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Delayed yung flight ng 1 hour. Tapos ang haba ng pila sa immigration. Kasi dapat meron kaming separate na pila sa mga EU citizen. Pero sarado yung pila ng EU citizen. Kaya pumila kami doon sa ordinary na pilahan, kaya ang haba ng pila. So nung paglabas namin sa airport, wala na, na-miss namin yung bus. So nag-taxi kami papunta rito. Then pagbigay sa amin ng kwarto, pagpunta namin dito, ito yung nadat na namin. There's no bed for Sofia. So bumaba si Hana, nagreklamo. At ayun, inaayos nila sa reception. Kasi itong bed na to, this is not for family bed. This is not for family room.
It's for a two-person bed.
So, yeah. Usually, pag family, merong big bed, diba? At saka merong small bed for the child.
But Tata usually takes a small bed because he likes to sleep alone.
Yeah.
Tata likes to sleep
So, pagod na. Let's go brush our teeth and let's go to bed. Pero hindi, hinihintay namin yung tawag para nire-rebook sa amin yung kwarto. Yan, parang nakakapagod talaga. Kasi kung tutuusin, alas 6 pa lang ng umaga, gising na kami lahat. Si Sofia lang yung gumising ng alas 8 ng umaga kanina. Pero kami ni Hana, gising na ng alas 6. Yeah, the journey continues.
It continues.
Wow. So this is the room that they gave us. Oh, good job. Good job. So,
So where do you want to sleep?
so Sophia here bed. My bed. Wow, good job Pinkay. Good job, okay. So, akala ko 12:15. It's 1:45 na pala. Quarter to 1 ng madaling araw. So, and then, Dalang, what time is our train to Upaba tomorrow? 1 o'clock, right?
11:25.
Oh, too early. Too early. So, gigising kami ng maaga para mag-breakfast. Then, kaed. So, ang ganda ng room. Kapagod talaga. Kapagod. Are you okay?
Nobody gonna get in. Sophia. Nobody gonna get
Alright,
in.
okay. Tulog muna, tulog. Good morning from Czech Republic. Okay, gapa. 6 o'clock ng umaga ngayon dito. So, gumising na kami kasi magbe-breakfast. At tingnan nyo po ang ganda ng view mula dito sa aming hotel. The beautiful Czech Republic. Welcome. Ito pa kaluwang. So, nasa 7th floor kami ng hotel. At At magbe-breakfast muna kami. At yan. Diyan kami magbe-breakfast. Magbe-breakfast and then prepare to go to train station. Kasi yung train is 11 o'clock. 4 hours travel by train to Hannah's hometown, Opava. Right. Sophia. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Pinkay.
Hi, Tita.
The most important, coffee in the morning. So siya na kumukuha pa ng pagkain. At si Chapit Boy, atake na. Tingnan nyo naman sa bintana nila. View from yung galing sa ano tawag nito? Sa dining hall nila. Poor Hannah. She cannot eat gluten. So only this one.
No bread. I have Filipino style.
Filipino style rice in the morning.
But it's not.
How about coffee? You don't have coffee?
No.
She gonna buy coffee later? Yeah.
Why do you need coffee? Oh my god, I'm not gonna drink coffee.
Yeah.
Is it pancakes?
Dami talagang Pilipino ngayon. There are 50, darling. 50 from Florida. So they're sitting there. And they're Filipino. Yeah. I have spoken one of them. So yeah, they're from. No, she doesn't know me, but you know when you Filipino, you know Filipino. You see each other from in abroad. So you say hi. You say hi to your Filipino.
But how do you progress as Filipino?
They're talking Tagalog. Say hi, Pinkay. Hi. Elaine. Say. Hi. Hi, say hi to my vlog.
Hello, I'm Liz. Easty. I'm Carol.
Ate Sonia.
Hello.
Yan, so
Nice to meet you and family.
mapapanood niyo to bukas.
Okay. Oh, talaga. Okay, so
Bukas.
they're from Florida. I'm from Los Angeles. Yeah. We're here on
Wow.
pilgrimage.
So dito kami nagkita sa hotel.
From Vienna House?
Vienna House.
Hotel.
Vienna House, different hotel.
So nakakatuwa pag makita mo yung mga kapwa mo Pilipino.
Oh, yes. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay.